Talita, 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 complete.
That's a good question. And I've had a number of people write to me, call me, and come by the studio to thank me for building the memorial. And they're all people that I don't know. They've told me that it's been really moving for them and really healing for them. When I've been at the memorial and people have been there, I don't usually introduce myself, but sometimes the questions will come up and then I end up saying that I'm the artist, and I've had the same kind of experience where people are really moved and tell me their story. So I'm hoping that that's the experience that's happening when I'm not there and people I'm not hearing from. I don't expect to hear from anyone. It's really just an honor to hear from people. It's mainly emotional. I mean, it's a lot of work to, when things have been destroyed, then you have to take them completely apart and rebuild them on the wall. Unlike the way I work right now, I'm working on a piece that's going to be an outdoor piece, but it's flat and I have all this space and all my tools. It's a lot more difficult to do it there on the spot. And we have kind of, time is of the essence because of the weather conditions. But more than anything, it's emotional. Why would someone do this? I have probably 25 pieces of public art out in the world, and I've never had anything damaged before. I know that this is very different, that whoever is doing this feels intimidated by the art, feels intimidated by the message, doesn't want the message to be heard. So it's really frustrating, and yet, you know, it has to be done. I have to repair it. Yeah, I keep waiting to hear again that it's happened again, and I don't like that feeling. It's traumatizing. There's a little post-traumatic stress, which I didn't expect to have happen in that it's art, but it's definitely like it's likely that it will be attacked again. I hope that it's a space that gives a feeling of peace. Going during the daytime is generally the best. It's a beautiful space. I feel like it has almost a spiritual feeling. I'm not exactly sure why that is. Almost like going into a church or some other sacred environment. I think just to go there and to be able to be contemplative. And this is my father, Dewey Greene. Well, the goal is to have as many people go there and visit it and to eradicate sexual violence. And so it would be really great if it had to take it down one day because it was no longer relevant. I would love that. More than anything, I would love that.